Good morning, students. Today in this class we are going to start the unit differential equations. Differential equations. Already we know polynomial equations and trigonometric equations. For example, an equation in the form of this is called a polynomial equation. It is an equation in terms of x. Here the variable is x. Similarly, if the equation is in this form, then it is called trigonometric equation. What are the variables here? Sin x and cos x. These are trigonometric functions. Similarly, if an equation is in terms of derivatives, for example, if the given equation is in this form, see this equation, it is an equation in terms of derivatives. dy by dx is called derivative of y with respect to x, and it is first derivative. d square y by dx square is second derivative of y with respect to x. Here it is an equation in terms of derivative of y with respect to x. This equation is called a differential equation. You observe the difference between these three equations. It is an equation in terms of x, so it is called polynomial equation in x. It is called a trigonometric equation. It is called differential equation. Say what is meant by differential equation? It is an equation involving derivatives of a function. Now we discuss the definition of a differential equation. Write the definition. An equation involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to an independent variable is called a differential equation. It is an equation involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Here, what is meant by dependent variable and what is meant by independent variable? Suppose y is equal to f of x is the given function. The value of y depends upon the value of x. If x value changes, automatically y value changes. Here, y value is depending on the value of x. So, y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. Here, x has freedom to take any value, but y has no freedom. The value of y must depend upon the value of x. So, y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. What is meant by dy by dx? Derivative of y with respect to x. Here, derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. If the given equation involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. For example, d square y by dx square minus 7 into dy by dx plus 2 into y is equal to 0. See this equation. What is meant by dy by dx? Derivative of first derivative of y with respect to x, or derivative of a dependent variable with respect to independent variable. What is this? It is second derivative of y with respect to x. In each term, the derivatives are the derivatives of y with respect to x. In first term, it is the second derivative of y with respect to x. In second term, it is the first derivative of y with respect to x. Such type of equations are called differential equations. Simply, it is an equation involving derivatives is called a differential equation. Now, to this differential equation, we define order and degree. Now, we discuss how to define order and degree. Take this example. Order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. Write the definition. The order of a differential equation is defined as the order of highest derivative of a dependent variable with respect to an independent variable in the given equation. The order of given differential equation, this is defined as order of the highest derivative of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x in the given equation. For example, take this equation. It is a differential equation. Why it is called differential equation? It is an equation involving derivatives. dy by dx, it is the first derivative of y with respect to x. d square y by dx square, it is the second derivative of y with respect to x. d cube y by dx cube, it is the third derivative of y with respect to x. So it is called a differential equation. Now we want to find order of this differential equation. So what is the highest derivative involved in the given equation? It is third order derivative, it is second order derivative, it is first order derivative. So highest ordered derivative is this third order. The highest order derivative in the given equation is called order of the given differential equation. So here order is equal to 3. Why order is equal to 3? Here third order derivative is the highest order derivative in the given equation. So order of this equation is 3. In this way, to find order of any differential equation, we take which is the highest order derivative in the given equation. The order of that highest order derivative is called order of the differential equation. Next, degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. Write the definition. The degree of a differential equation is the highest power of higher order derivative, higher order derivative, when it is a polynomial equation, when it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. In derivatives, the order of a differential equation is the highest power of higher order derivative when the given equation is a polynomial equation in derivatives. For example, we take one differential equation. See this, it is a differential equation. Why it is called differential equation? It is an equation involving derivatives. It is an equation involving derivatives. There are two types of derivatives here, dy by dx and d square y by dx square. dy by dx is first derivative of y with respect to x. D square y by dx square is second derivative of y with respect to x. Now, in this given equation, what is the higher order? Second order. It is first order derivative dy by dx. It is second order derivative. So, higher order is second order. See here, the degree of a differential equation is the highest power. So, what is the power of this second order derivative? If it is not given, generally we take 1. 1 is the power of second order. See, 3 is the power of first order. Now, to find degree of a differential equation, we consider the highest power of higher order derivative. Here second order is higher order. What is the power of second order? That is 1. So, degree is equal to 1. Here degree is not 3. Why degree is not 3? Because 3 is the power of first order. Always degree of a differential equation is the power of higher order derivative. Here second order is higher order. The power of second order is 1. So, degree of this differential equation is 1. In this way, we define order and degree. Say, what is meant by order of a differential equation? It is the order of highest derivative. What is meant by degree of a differential equation? The power of highest derivative is called degree. And moreover, it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Here it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Okay, now we are going to start the first exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. Write the first problem. determine order and degree of the following equations. Following differential equations. Determine order and degree of the following differential equations. Write the first problem. D power 4y by dx power 4 plus sine of y double dash is equal to 0. See here, y double dash means second derivative of y. Second derivative of y is represented by y double dash or d square y by dx square also. What is meant by d power 4y by dx power 4? It is the fourth derivative of y with respect to x. To this equation, find order and degree. Write the solution. First find order. The highest order derivative present in the differential equation. Present in the given differential equation is, say, what is the first term? D power 4y by dx power 4. This is the highest order derivative. It is the fourth order derivative. It is second order derivative. So the highest order derivative present in the given differential equation is 4. So its order is 4. Next, find the degree of the differential equation. See here, the given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in derivatives. It is, second derivative is in sine, so it is not a polynomial equation. The given equation is not a polynomial equation in derivatives. The given equation is not a polynomial equation in derivatives. Why it is not a polynomial equation? See here, it is second term is sine of second order derivative. So it is not a polynomial equation. Polynomial, if there is no sine term here, then it is a polynomial equation. Here it is present in terms of sine, so it is not a polynomial equation. Therefore, if the given equation is not a polynomial equation in derivatives, the degree is not defined. Therefore, degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Next, second problem. Y dash plus 5 into y is equal to 0. Write the solution. Given equation is y dash means first derivative of y, or y dash is taken as dy by dx plus 5 into y is equal to 0. First find degree. What is the highest order derivative present in this differential equation? First order. It is first order derivative. It is the highest derivative in the given differential equation. So highest derivative is 1. Highest derivative is 1. What is the order of that derivative? 1. It is first order derivative. Now we find degree. The given equation is a polynomial equation. Here the given equation is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Now degree is equal to, therefore degree is equal to, what is meant by degree? It is the power of highest derivative. Here highest derivative is 1 dy by dx. What is the power of dy by dx? That is 1. So it is taken as whole power 1. So degree is equal to 1. See, you observe the difference between order and degree. Order means highest order derivative in the equation. Degree means the power of that highest order is called a degree of the differential equation. Okay, write the next problem. Third, ds by dt whole power 4 plus 3 into s into d square s by dt square is equal to 0. Given equation is ds by dt whole power 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square is equal to 0. ds by dt, that means derivative of s with respect to t. First derivative. What is d square s by dt square? Second derivative of s with respect to t. Say here, what is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation? That is 2. It is first order derivative, it is second order derivative. So highest order is 2. So order of the differential equation is 2. And moreover, the given equation is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Now degree. What is the power of highest order, here highest order is second order, power of highest order is 1. So order 2 and degree 1. Next, d square y by dx square whole square plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx, it is first order derivative. D square y by dx square, it is second order derivative. So highest order is second order. The highest order present in this equation is 2. So its order is 2. Is it a polynomial equation? No, it is not a polynomial equation. Here derivative is in terms of cos. Derivative is in terms of cos. If there is no cos, then it is a polynomial equation. Here it is not a polynomial equation. So degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Next, d square y by dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. You find order and degree. It is second order derivative. So highest order is 2. So order of the given differential equation is 2. And it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Derivative is not in terms of either sine or cos. It is the highest derivative. What is the power of this highest derivative? 1. So degree is 1. You write the steps common to all problems. Sixth, y triple dash whole square plus y double dash whole cube plus y dash whole power 4 plus y power 5 is equal to 0. Find order and degree. Y dash means first derivative of y. Y double dash, that means second derivative of y. Y triple dash, it is the third derivative of y. So what is the highest derivative here? 3. So highest order derivative is 3. So order is 3. Next, clearly it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Given equation is a polynomial equation in derivatives. What is the power of highest order? Here highest order is 3. Power of this highest order is 2. So degree is 2. It is simple to find order and degree. Order means highest order in the equation. Degree means power of that highest order is the degree. Find order and degree. Here it is first derivative y dash is the first derivative of y. It is second derivative of y. It is third derivative of y. So highest derivative is 3. Here also order is 3. And it is a polynomial equation. What is the power of highest derivative? Highest derivative is 3. Its power is 1. So degree is 1. Eighth, y dash plus y is equal to e power x. Y dash means first derivative of y. So it is the highest derivative. There is no higher order derivatives. So highest order derivative is 1. So order is 1. And it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. What is the degree of this first derivative? 1. Y dash is taken as dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x. If degree is not given, generally we take the power as 1. So degree is 1. All these are 1 mark problems. Next, 9th, y double dash plus y dash whole square is equal plus 2y is equal to 0. Y dash means first derivative of y. Y double dash means second derivative of y. So what is the highest derivative? Second derivative. So highest derivative present in the equation is 2. So order is 2. What is the power of that highest derivative? 1. So degree is 1. And clearly it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. So before finding degree, we check whether it is polynomial equation or not. Next, 10th, y double dash plus 2 into y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. Y dash first derivative of y, y double dash second derivative of y. What is the highest derivative? Second derivative. Here also order is 2. Here it is a polynomial equation. Even though if it is sin y, derivatives are not in sin or cos. Derivatives are polynomials. Derivatives are polynomials. So it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. What is the degree of that highest order? That is 1. Here also order to degree 1. Eleventh, the degree of differential equation d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus sine of dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Just we find only degree. See what is the highest derivative here? Second order. So order is 2. Degree. See here, it is not a polynomial equation. Here derivatives are in terms of sign. So it is not a given equation is not a polynomial equation. Polynomial equation in derivatives. If the given equation is not a polynomial equation, then a degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Why it is not a polynomial equation? Here derivative is in terms of sign. Next, last problem in this exercise. Find the order of 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 is order. Say what is the highest derivative here? dy by dx means first derivative. D square y by dx square means second derivative. So this is the highest derivative. What is the order of this derivative? 2. Order of highest derivative is the order of the entire equation. In this way we find orders and derivatives, orders and degrees.